Hey, what's up? This is Josh with APC Roofing, and today we are in Gotha, Florida, installing a metal roof. It took us about a week to do this job, including the flat roof section that got rolled roofing. It was completely flat and ponding water, and we were able to add a pitch and fix the issue. The homeowner decided to go with a charcoal gray 26 gauge ultra lock panel. The benefits of having a metal roof here in Florida is the durability. Able to stand up to 150 mile-an-hour winds, that's going to lower your liability. Plus, it's going to last you about 30 to 50 years and save you up to 30 to 40% on your power bill. From standing seam to exposed fastener, APC Roofing has a variety of colors and thicknesses available for your roofing project. From St. Pete to Orlando, Ocala, and all the way up to Jacksonville, APC Roofing is the #1 rated roofing company in Central Florida. If you're looking to get a quote for a metal roof, or you're looking for us to inspect your roof for damages, make sure you give us a call.